We love STEM, especially at Indian Creek Elementary School in Clarkston, Georgia. We were so proud to have partnered this fall with the United Nations Association Atlanta chapter, along with Twin Science, YGA, RCE Greater Atlanta, and Women Igniting Change. This partnership has helped us at Indian Creek to grow our STEM initiative in science, technology, mathematics, and engineering as we get kids excited about coding as well as other technology and science related topics. On October 21, 2020, 22 students received twin kits, 11 coding and 11 curiosity kits. These pictures show where we distributed them outside our school when the kids arrived. An invitation was sent home to our students to tell them to arrive to our school on the designated date, where they received their curiosity kits or their coding kits, shown in these pictures. Here are some amazing pictures of our students as they arrived to pick up their kits, along with our representatives from the Atlanta chapter of the United Nations Association. These kits are helping our students become interested in STEM. As you will see in the next several slides, the students of Indian Creek Elementary School had the opportunity to work with their STEM teacher and to create the projects at home that come in the kits, as well as using the apps that are available through Twin Science. And the kids are loving it.
Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow.
Again, we cannot thank you enough to our partners Twin Science, who created these wonderful kits for our students, and the United Nations Association Atlanta chapter, who has headed up the fundraising, along with the partners of YGA, RCE Greater Atlanta, and Women Igniting Change. Thank you again from the bottom of our hearts for this endeavor.